If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you chose to use the Select for Deposit window to assign deposit ticket ID values, then you can combine the many customer receipt amounts into a single deposit amount with a single deposit ticket ID in the Select for Deposit screen in Sage 50 Accounting. This can greatly reduce the stress of reconciling your bank statement with the multiple receipt amounts individually posted in Sage 50. To access the Select for Deposit screen, select Tasks, select for Deposit from the menu bar. Use the Account ID dropdown to select the cash account within which to group the amounts received from the Receive Money window. Use the Deposit Ticket Date dropdown to set the date of the deposit. In the Deposit Ticket ID field, enter the desired deposit ticket ID to use for the total amount of the deposit when reconciling the selected account in the future. Then check the Deposit checkbox at the right end of each line item amount you want to mark as included in the deposit. The total appears at the bottom of the screen. To save the deposit amount with the selected ticket ID, click the Save button in the toolbar at the top of the window. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.